The LatLong expression is in the category Other and has a result of a LatLong data type. The purpose of this expression is to create a LatLong value. The LatLong expression has two parameters, the latitude and the longitude. Each of these parameters are numeric data types that represent either the latitude or the longitude, and the result is the LatLong, latitude and longitude, value composed as the two given values. Let's look at an example. Here we can see the most simple example of the LatLong expression, using 0 and 0 for our latitude and longitude. But if, for instance, we wanted to use something else, we could use the White House's coordinates for latitude and longitude. And here you can see I don't just have to use integers or numbers, I can also use decimals for my LatLong value. And this would return the latitude and longitude of the White House. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more, we invite you to check out appsheettraining.com.